Please, Bill. I'm Jeannie. We're two do-it-yourselfers who met on a sailboat in 1988. 3 houses and 4 boats later, we're refitting our 1998 Seahorse Oceaneer 55-foot steel trawler, Blue Sky. Welcome to our journey.
I am working on tearing out the old media room, pump control, electrical, and I feel like I just put this in. Yeah, I guess, when did we get that air conditioner? Back in December or something? Trying to take this all out because we're going to permanently install that pump there. So I want to get these old pumps out. The Forward AC is water-based, so it still needs a pump. And I think our big problem was I've been speccing pumps, the smaller pumps in there, which are like 300, 400 gallon per minute pumps. They may even be up to 500 gallon. They work fine during the spring and the winter, but as soon as you get to the summer and the waters become 85, 90 degrees, there's not enough water going through to remove the heat because you only can remove a tiny amount of heat with each bit of water. So this is a 1,000 gallon per hour pump, and I have another one of these 1,000 gallon pumps which we'll probably eventually put on the rear air conditioners that are still water based. And then of course the media one is getting converted into the mini split, so we don't need any of this plumbing here or half of this control box, but I'll leave that half of the control box here for the moment. If somebody in the future decides they want to put a water-based one back in there, there'll be the control box here. Again, 2 steps back for 1 step forward. I think eventually we're going to have the boat totally ripped back out to bare steel, the rate we're going.
I quit. All right, later.
Yeah, later.
Bill's in the cage. It's bad. Bad Bill.
Yeah. Wow, where's my screw? And we have one very nice little platform.
He's escaping.
Oh, no, I'm not.
And he's out. We're removing all of those hoses. All of them. Let's get rid of it.
Okay. Give me the PEX cutters. Okay, that one worked. Okay, well, we are now getting the electrical done. Pump is in, and it's been running just using the temporary cord. What I got left to do is connect those 2 on, plug that in, and then get down there and put my little electrical box here on, and we will be done. There is electrical hooked up. I still got that guy disabled. Okay. Cool. I moved to the lower area. I ran the wire here, over to here, down to there, and now I'm going to get in there. Watch me wire this sucker up. Not a whole lot of wire here to work with. The last one here. Good to go. Oxidation on the end of the green one there, so it's been exposed for a while. Okay. Well, hopefully we got to the other side. Ouch. Girl, those things are hot. Okay, so there is that pump all installed. It goes on up and through. And this goes down, and I went ahead and added, where is it? There it is, the T. Well, yeah, well, the T's down there. But then this is a valve, so this will be for our back washing purposes. Basically, we'll plug in our pump here, pump solution up through all of these lines. And then it'll come out. There's a spot right over there for it to come out. So that's how this will work. So anyway, I'll hop up there and try the switch. Okay, now let's see if we can get out of here. Okay. Oh, shit. I keep testing to see if my head can go through the tabletop. It fails every time. But apparently I'm an idiot because I keep trying to do it over and over again. I also try to get it to go through the beam in this room, and that doesn't work either. Ugh. Okay. Take you with me to turn the circuit breaker on. Oh. Okay. Yeah, the pumps are powered by that one. Probably should have that pump powered by the front bedroom. Need to move that wire over at some point. Okay, and wonderful mess. And we cleaned it up a little bit a couple times. If it turned on, I couldn't tell it turned on. Now my head's on. Maybe I had to throw it up. You got to make it go up. Now it's on. Okay. This guy's screwed on. Turn it off. Now we're going to go turn the air conditioner on. See if everything's working. Here's air conditioning. 76. Okay. Let's go see if we have any water coming out. Is this a true test? Can that turn the pump on? Oh, the rain's back. There's some water. Cool. Okay. So I would say the pump is working. Ooh, nice out here. I know, July 4th in Florida. And for dinner, she has created scratch chicken and rice. There's the rice. Wish you had smell-o-vision. It smells really good. Anyway, we're gonna go eat later.
And don't forget to smash that subscribe button.